Hi, my name is Nick, and this is the final presentation for the interactive visualization final project. The dataset I used was a classic rock database, which showed how many times a particular song was played, what decade it's from. This I actually had to add in myself due to the nature of the original dataset didn't have a proper date format, so I had to write a few short scripts to have that filled. And I included the data set here for transparency. Here we have a histogram, and without selecting anything, it doesn't show you much, but you can actually change the x-axis to choose what you would like to see against play count. So the choices are the songs, the artists. You can see Heart is played quite a bit, and the decade. The 1970s is the overwhelming decade. The final feature I added was the ability to adjust the height and the width of the histogram itself. So if you need to check, or if it's easier for you to see a bigger graph, for example, if you were looking for a more specific play count on songs, you can tell here that All Along the Watchtower was played 141 times over the course of a year. So it's a little bit easier if you're looking for more specific information. For smaller information, it's easier to go with the smaller, more traditional histogram. I chose histogram because it's the fastest way to quickly answer questions of which song was played most, which artist was played the most, and which decade. Those are the questions I had. From the previous assignment, there was a lot of data cleaning and learning observable. HQ was the most difficult part of this for me. Beyond that, the final interaction was kind of an obvious choice. I felt like if you can choose the color of the bars, which I highlighted in the last presentation, you should also be able to change the size of the histogram if you want to. That's about it, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.